we'll have to cut this down. They only have this one banana and the tree dies, wouldn't group. So,
You want me to hang on it?
Really?
yeah.
Wow.
Here, you hold this.
Yeah.
Yeah, you take Lindsay's picture.
Okay, cut it down.
Push back on it like, yeah. Okay, you know this drips. We'll have to let it drip. If the sap comes out of it, just go lay it here on the, lay it here.
Wow.
Okay.
Here we go, arriving into the Everglades National Park. And looking forward to this. This is a long way from our last video in Virginia. So here we go, coming into the visitor center. Lots of birds, lots of water. Temperature's about 65 degrees. And I think this visitor center is open. So we're gonna enjoy coming into the visitor center at the north entrance of the Everglades National Park.
One of the displays at the visitor center. We can't go closer because of COVID. We already saw the anhinga bird on the way here. It can get wet and sink when it dives for fish, and so when it comes out from the water, it spreads out its wings to dry. And we saw like 4. They look like statues standing there with their wings open. This is outside of the visitor center, and this water, although it's brackish, it's so clear. Kevin said sometimes you can see alligators right here. None are visible now. But this seaweed stuff, you can see all the way down in the water to the almost to the bottom. A lot of grasses, palms, birds.
Welcome to Long Pine Key Campground. This is the amphitheater
In the Everglades.
in the Everglades National Park. Here we are in December, enjoying a warm day. This is a special place for me because I got a chance to work here 42 years ago through an organization called A Christian Ministry in the National Parks. And we would provide weekend worship services in the amphitheaters. And this is one of the two places where I would help with that. Actually, I was the only person who would come up here on Sunday afternoons. It's 38 miles from Flamingo, 34 miles from Flamingo, where we are going south of here. But anyway, you'd set up and it would be a very short service, about 45 minutes. And I'd have my guitar, or I'd bring in somebody who wanted to play a little special music and have a sermon here on a beautiful spot out here. And my regular job was to work in the gift shop in Flamingo. I did that, and then they gave me Sundays off so I could do this kind of work on the weekend. But I was sponsored by the organization, and then they would guarantee a job and pay you. It was just a great opportunity for me at age 21. That's how old I was when I did that. So here we go. We're gonna stay here at the amphitheater for a while.
These white trees are called dwarf cypress. They clearly grow in the water. Let me zoom so you can see all of that is water. And there's water down here in this ditch. This is called Mahogany Trail, Mahogany Hammock area. The hammock is a group of trees I have recently learned from my brother. I'm going to see an alligator. Looks like a whole biosphere on top of this tree branch. All kinds of ferns growing in it. This is a huge mahogany tree. Look at all the plants growing on it. Okay, my first alligator in the wild. He's right here. Well, we always say he, don't we? And very large. That's as close as my phone's gonna go. And I am not stepping out of my vehicle. Wow.
Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Can you throw the second one?
Yeah.
This didn't phase him.
Is he alive?
He is.
Man.
Dang, they're so slippery.
So what I see is about 5 feet of body and there's probably another 2 feet of tail, right? In the water.
Bigger than that, honey.
Huh?
It's bigger than that. The tail's like half the size.
Oh. The tail's half the size of an alligator, so he could be 10 feet long. It's a really big one. West Lake. Mangrove trees and mangrove roots. This is how they grow. That's interesting.
Yeah, be careful.
All the tannin in this water.
It's flowing through the blowhole there. Look, look.
Yep, these are manatees. They're small, and we're seeing them occasionally pop their heads up and blow.
Those on the left have barnacles on them.
Yeah. There we go.
Close-up shots.
Yes. Yeah, these haven't lifted their heads much, that bigger one. Oh, I missed the blowing. There they go. That's very cool, right here at the marina.
That was cool.
That was cool. Got part of that.
I really didn't expect to see it.
Yep, there is one. One right there. Guess manatees are native here. Ooh.
Never seen that many of them spots.
Yeah. How many do you count? Oh man. I just missed two huge ones right here. Here we go. These are some long, skinny fish here. Big bubble. So many. Here he is.
Hard to see them.
Yeah. I don't know what this is. It looks like an eagle to me. Super cool. Moving that head. Watching us. This is all swampland. All of these dead trees are underwater. This is the creepiest trail I've ever been on. There's water on both sides, like right here. It's right up at the path. This road is flooded out, and look at this wading bird wading through it. This is a road that goes to the Royal Palm Trail, and look, there's a panther sign. There's something called a Florida panther. They're very rare, but I guess they've seen one here or they wouldn't have a sign. Pretty cool.
Such a tourist.
All right, coming into Key Largo in about 2 miles, and we're surrounded by water. This is actually a bridge.
It's like Florida 1950.